What's up guys, and welcome to the first video of this GTA RP that I'm trying to create. If some of you guys watch some of my devlog, you will see you already know exactly what this is. So this is the character movement, okay? Character can crouch, and on the left side is the client. Client can crouch, bring his cell phone up, uh, toggle between screens and stuff. Can aim. And sorry about my computer. My original computer messed up. So this one I'm using right now is my old computer, and it is not good. Okay, so we can aim. We have turn in place. Okay, can crouch and stay aim, and then uh, server can do the same. Okay, bring the phone up, and as you can see, client can see it as well. Can still switch. Okay, so in today's video, what I'm trying to show you guys what I have so far. Okay, now I'm not saying that, I'm not promising to recreate GTA RP. Okay, I'm trying to create as many features as possible. Okay, so right now, everything you seeing right now is not like fully. What's the word I'm looking for? There's gonna be bugs, pretty much. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so if you encounter certain bugs, leave them in the comment so that way me or somebody in the comment can help you fix it, or get in the Discord and then try to get some help. Okay, so right now, if you okay, so one thing I need to do, give me 1 second real quick, because I don't want my player to start with money. Where are you? Data. And no, not this one. I'm looking for, that's business. I'm looking for my character data. Open this. No account, and you should only have 10 grand. All right, that's 30. Yep, 10,000. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, now my players start with $10,000. Okay, and uh, one more thing, and okay, I'll show it to you in a later time, like later on in the video. So what I was trying to show you is over here. Um, it will show that I receive checks, but right now I have it to 10 minutes because I'm trying to showcase some stuff. I don't want it to keep popping up and stuff. Okay, and let's put your attention over here. So right now I'm trying to buy this house, but I only have 10 grand, and the house costs 150,000. And if I click the detail, you will see we have price 150,000. These are not dynamic. I just put this in here, but uh, I have a system that I'm working on where the player will have the ability to become an officer, or whatever they want to do in the game. Okay, and then one of the roles gonna be either the mayor or the governor or the sheriff of a specific town. And if you become the sheriff or mayor or governor of that town, you will have the ability to set up the property taxes for whoever is purchasing a house in your town. Okay, but we're gonna have restriction because we don't want people to be charging people like $1 million for property taxes. That's gonna be outrageous. Okay, so let me showcase. This is the server. Okay, leave it right here. So let me go here. This is an ATM. Okay, I have a boolean to either allow people to create bank account from the ATM, or they will have to go to that building, which is a bank, and open a bank account. But right now I have it set to true, so player will be able to um, create bank account from that ATM. Okay, And if I click here, you can see it's about to create a bank account or whatever, and then put my password. Sorry about my mic, guys. My mic is on the table because my thing snapped in half. Okay, so now that I have a bank account, and let me make this a little bigger so you can see. If I press E, it says I have 10,000 on me, and if you look on the top left, right here, I have 10,000. Oops, go away. 10,000. So in my bank, I have 200. I can either deposit my 10,000 to the bank, and right now we say I have no money, or I can, whatever. I need to fix this. I need to do the check. But if I want to withdraw, I can't withdraw 150,000 because that's what I need to buy my house. And then, as you can see, now I have 160,000. And as you can see, I have transaction widgets. So basically, first I deposit 10,000, and I don't know, this is not good, and I withdraw 150,000. Okay, so and that was on the client. And 99.9%, if it works on the client, it definitely gonna work on the server. So that's why I'm trying to showcase most of the things on the client, so that way you know it's working on the client. So if the server come here, doesn't have a bank account, we can put whatever for a password, and then I can just withdraw 150,000 from the bank, and then I have 160,000. And if I pull up my phone, I can check my bank. See, it says I have $50,000 inside my bank. So if I go here, I have 50,000, right? So I can access my bank account from my phone at any time. Okay, so I'm gonna have a button down here where I can transfer money from my phone as well. I don't have to go to the ATM or anything to transfer funds. Okay, so and this right here is where I can give people my number. So pretty much, if I was, let me see what you say. If I was near him, and it's not fully done yet, 'cause I'm still working on it, and then I pull out my phone and I click this, as you can see, this would just show up on his uh, screen, showcasing that I just sent him my number, and then he can just click a button, and then it will add his contact to all my contact list, right? So, but this part is not done yet, so that's why you see it that way. You saw it just stick on the screen, on the screen like that. So let me go and we do this because I don't have it. I don't have a save system yet. So that's what I have. So go here. Let's withdraw 150, and then it should say I have 160. Okay. So now, in the world where whenever you see this sign or any sign that I create, whatever sign you want to create, it means either the property or the house is for sale or for rent. Okay. Right now we only have I only have the buying the house part, not the renting. So I can click the house detail if I like what I see and I have the money. I can click buy, and as you can see, the sign disappeared. That means this guy can no longer purchase this house, and he cannot open my garage door or anything, or my house door. Okay, but me as the owner of the house, I can click this, and you can see my garage door is opening, and he can see the same thing too. See, and I can close my garage door. Okay, and let me go in my house, open the door, close the door, and as you can see, the door is open. So this would be, let me make it bigger, my kitchen. I am not an artist or a designer, so what you see here, this is the best I can come up with. Okay, but I'm gonna have it where these going to be interactable. So for example, if I want to cook a meal, I will have to go in my fridge, grab the food from my fridge, drag it here, and then go to the stove and then put it on the stove and then cook. I haven't put that yet, but that's the plan. Okay, so this is gonna be where my dining table gonna be, and then this is where living room with TV here, and then slash uh, office. Okay, and this would be where my bathroom and toilet and everything, and this is my master bedroom, which is a big room, and I can go to the garage. Okay, and I can still open my garage door from here, and then yeah, and if I walk out of here, garage, close the garage door. Okay, and then the next thing is I can spawn my what is it, beautiful car. Ooh, the lag. Okay, and if you watch the stream, you should already know everything about this car, right? And the lag is serious because this computer is not the best. Come on. Okay, so I can go here still, and I can see the car as the server, and as the client, I can just get in the car. Now, I'm using the City Simple car, and the City Simple project, they combine all the meshes for the car, so that's the reason why the door is not open. Okay, oops, come on. So that's the reason why the doors are not open. But if you can download the metrics project, and then you can import the assets. I'm working on it right now, and I'm working on something where if your car hit the thing, it gets destroyed, stuff like that. But it's taking time because replicating stuff, it's not easy. If it was a single player game, simple, easy. But since we're trying to make a multiplayer game, we have to replicate stuff, and replication is not an easy task. Okay, so let's get back to the car. So if I pull up my phone, spawn the car, and then I can get in the car. Right now I can't move because the car is off. Turn my engine on. Now I'll be able to move, and then you can see my speed of the car. Okay. And then I can also hit player with the car too. And if I go here, this guy, I can just boom, and I hit him. See? Now he right there. I just got to disable the collision once I hit, like for the camera once I hit him. I don't have the the respawn system implemented yet. But yeah, he hits me right there. Okay, so I can get out the car here. Oh, Jesus Christ! What happened to the hair? Since I'm using the MetaHuman, I don't know what's going on with the hair, but yeah. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so now I already showcased the house part, so let's go and showcase the business part of the game. Oh, I need money. I need some of that money. You know what? Yeah. That's a bank account, and let's give him 200,000 so he can buy businesses. Okay. So now that I have business, I have money, I can just go here. Stay right there. You. Only if it was that easy. The business is right next to your house. I mean, there's business like that, but yeah. So right now, nobody owned this business, not open anything, so I cannot go in there. Okay, nothing is happening. So if the client, like I said, if it works on the client, 99.99% is gonna work on the server. So on the client, I can just work over here, and I can say buy business, and you see I have a notification saying new business added. So what this is, for now, everybody on the server will get a notification letting them know that there's a new business and they can go and apply for it. But for now, I haven't done this yet, but when you click here, see, it shows the business name, but this would be where we send a job application to the business owner. Okay, so right now, yeah, let me make this back like that again. Now the business is my business now, right? So if even if I purchase the business, this guy still can get in because business is closed, not open. There's nothing in there. But me as the owner, I can open the business and I can close my door. And as you can see, this guy's still over here. Nothing's going on. So now, and let's say for example, the door was open, right? And this guy running here, he still can't buy anything. Okay? But let me leave him outside and close the door and let him face over here. So me as the business owner, I can just go here, boom, open the shop, open the business. And then now he can come in, open the door. I can make the door automatically if I want, but now I have it on the key. Now he can shop. So if he opens, okay, he can buy AR, armor, burger. He can buy multiple burgers. And the burgers are stacked 5. So every time it gets to 5, it's just gonna add another one. So I can open my inventory now. Oops, inventory, you see, I have armor and I have a bunch of burgers. And then I have the drag and drop system working as well. Okay. And then if I drop it here, it's just gonna switch spot. And then this one right here. So for example, let's say I have 5 burgers, right? And then I want to use, or I want to give somebody, I want to give somebody, let's say 10. Let's say 4 of them, right? And then I want to give him 4 burgers. So right now I'm working on the use part yet right now. So you see it point 4 burgers. I give 4 burgers. I should put an S. But if I say 50, you will see I say I'm giving away 50 burgers. So just like it is in GTA RP, like where you can just give people stuff. Ooh, yeah, like that. And then you can reset this to 1. And I think I'm gonna make it where every time you create the widget, it goes back to 1, so that way we don't have to deal with always, so we don't accidentally give more than we should. And then we also have to check to see if we have enough too. So we'll work on this in a later video. But yeah, so now I can still go buy some water, Red Bull, buy stuff like that. And I'm gonna work on that where right now it's just as soon as I click the button, it's just buying things, right? Without checking my money, without checking anything. So my plan is when you click what you're buying, it's gonna add it on a list here. It's gonna tell you how many you have and then the total. And then when you click buy, it's just gonna take everything that's on that list and then it's gonna put it inside of your inventory. That's how that's the way I want it to go. So if the store owner come here and close the store, right? He can no longer buy anything, open it, and he can't even get out. Right now he's stuck. Let's say he's trying to rob the place, and then you just you close your store, and now he can't go nowhere. I don't know if I want to add where he can break the glass and then just whoop, hop out. I don't know. So get in the comment. Let me know if you want to see that. But let me open the store so he can get out my store. Get out. I got nothing for you. Now he can leave. Okay. And me, I can close my store. And me, even if I close the store, since I'm the owner, I can still close my door. Yeah, come on, I'm stuck. No, no, I'm stuck. See, my door's still closed. All right. Okay. And then he can't come in because the shop is closed. Right. And I can still pick these items from the floor. I don't know if you want to have where people can pick up some stuff from the ground. So it's gonna be up to you. All right. But I can still do that. And then you see they stacking up real nice. See, they stacking up, and I can still use them, give them away, whatever I want to do. And yeah, so now let me go and showcase the, let's close this, open it again. Let's go ahead and showcase the other business. Technically it's, now this one is the garage. Okay, for example, let's say I open this business. See, people get the notification, hey, business is open. Now, if I check the job board, all right, I should only have one business here. All right. But if this guy goes and then purchase this business, now it should be two businesses in the job board. So see, this one is the garage, and the this one is the default business. Okay. We can't have it where you as the owner of the business, you don't get the notification or anything like that. But right now, yeah. So right now, same logic, but this one doesn't have the counter yet. But I can still open the store, and this guy can come here. For example, I need to do the check on the door, see, to see if it's where it's at, if it's closed or if it's open. See, or I'm gonna just add physics though. So when you just walked in, just like the GTA door, it just open or whatever. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have certain doors like that and certain door where you have to push a button to open it. And then we're gonna have sliding doors and everything. So now, since the garage is open, all right, I can spun my car and then get in the car, turn it on. And this part right here, once we do the job application thing, only people that will be allowed to work on cars are the employees of this business. So for example, now I just put the car up here. Come on. You can't do it. Come on. Yep. Exit. Let me turn that off. Exit the car. And then now I can go to this guy and tell him, hey, you see this car over here? I need some oil change or whatever. And then him or his employee can just say, all right, wait for me. Let me go take a look. And then he can just walk over here, lock the car inside. Like, for example, lock the car so that it don't just fall off. And then go up. Car's up. All right. And then this guy, he can see the car, his car is up, you know? And then I can just go and then work on the car, do whatever I need to do. We're gonna shoot a line trace that's gonna tell us if the tire needs help or whatever. But this is the part where we need to add the matrix stuff so that way we can have the different components. Okay. And then once I'm done working on the car, I can just bring it down, unlock it, and then I can tell this guy. And then now this will be the part where once my employee works in the car, okay, car is finished, I will have my little kiosk letting me know the specific car. Because when the car is on top of here, we know which one is on top of this. Just like we have, see, we have two. They have different numbers, so that way we can know which car is which. Okay, we will get information from the owner, type of car, the problem of the car, and everything. So I will have it where now I can just click here and tell the guy this is how much it's gonna cost you, and then he gonna just come in here click a button, and then he's gonna see the total pay. Boom. And then once he's done, they're gonna bring the car out to him. But for right now, I'm just going to get in my car. Thank you, sir, for your service. And then I'm gone. But I need gas. But, I'm just showcasing that I need gas, but I don't really need gas because I haven't worked on the gas part yet. So this is the gas station. My computer suck, y'all. This is the gas station. I can just pull up to the gas station. Back up a little bit. Back up. Stop. Turn your engine off. Get out. Go here. Remember, in the car, we had 100%. Okay. Now, if I go here, come on, you can't do it. The widget, I need to connect. Oh, I need to connect the widget. But so technically, yeah, this I need to fix this too because when the actor is moving with the car, this location is not being updated. So I need to go check that. So pretty much you'll be able to uh, purchase gas. But like as you can see, there's a lot of things that we need to fix. But that's what goes on in building video games. Okay, you work on things break, and then you have to go and fix more things. You know what I mean? So that's the beauty of building a video game. Thing breaks all the time. So park right here. Let's see if I had a replication issue, because that could be it. Yeah, that was it. That's what it was. Come on, why am I keep dying over there, man? Okay, let me go and remove these two, so I can just spawn. Where's the gas station? It's over there. This is the bank, and I can just spawn right over there. Let's see if it was a replication issue. So if I pull my car. So the reason why you see I'm keep dying whenever I hit the thing is because of the trigger. So what I need to do, I need to check to see if the car is moving before I can do like the character do the ragdoll. Okay, so let's see if it was a replication issue. So turn the engine off, get out the car, try not to collide with it. Yeah, it's a replication issue. Yeah, I just need to replicate the function for for getting the gas, and I need to lower the physics on the character so I can get to this other gas station right here. Gas pump. Oops. Right. Trust me, I can drive, y'all. Okay? I can drive, and I'm gonna add controller support too, so that way it'd be good. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. And boom. And then I can fill up my tank for $50 or however you want. And then I should say I have 500%. Work, and then I can just go about my business. And another thing too, let me show you guys what I'm working on. I know where is it? And anytime you're working on new features for your game, I would recommend you use a different project so that way you don't break whatever you're working on. I'm gonna show you what I have in my other project, but I also have a template that you guys can purchase. Okay, and let me see. I'm gonna wait till this is done loading, so that way you guys can see what I'm talking about. I can show you. Where is it? Is it done? Come on. Don't mind my naming convention, okay? I just, matter of fact, why this is still loading? Oh, it's done. It is done. Yeah. Okay, cool. There it is. So now, let me show you what I'm talking about. Open it up. Let's put this at 1. Oh, let's do 0.5. Okay. So now let's imagine it's nighttime, and then but this right now is checking to see if I'm an officer, police officer. For now, this guy is a police officer. Okay, and these are the cars that's in the world. Let's say this car, they don't have any drivers in them. I can get in. In this version, I have it where you can have passengers. See, now it's okay. Let me go put it to player because the thing is, I need to change the camera for passengers, right? So client, this is the server, this is the client. So if the server, a client get in the car, now I'm in control of that car, right? And then the passenger can get in too, but I need to give him a different camera. Matter of fact, let me go see. While we're here, let's try it. Let me see. Where did I possess it? BP car. Isn't one of them. I don't want to make this video too long, but let me show you what I came here for. Let's show you. So if I go here, get in the car, we can start the car now. Now if I hit the L button, boom, I have lights. Okay? And there's another feature that I need to plug up here. And what this does, let's say if I'm the officer and I'm doing my regular patrol, whatever, and then I hit my lights, see? It gives me detail about the car that I just hit. So that way now I got the, see, because it doesn't have any drivers in there. It said no driver, no driver's license, but I get the plate for the car, right? I get the car plate and the car VIN number, right? So let's say if I hit this car, see I got a different license plate, and this car is clean. And there are cars that's like suspended, their license, the plate is suspended or expired and stuff. If I hit this car, it's clean. Which one? One of them was not clean. Yeah, the truck. The truck has a suspended. The driver of the truck license is suspended. Okay. So, and let me make this guy get inside of this truck. Oh, I think it's because the screen are too small. Come on, what? What? What the? Hold on. She didn't have this problem. Yeah, because the screen was small. But now I'm gonna be the officer. And if I turn my car on and I run this dude plate, now, oops, now you see I have a driver now and a driver's license. I need to change this to a text. See, now because he's inside of this car, now I know who's inside of the car, and I have a license plate for him. I mean a driver's license for him. Okay, so and then I can still control this car. I can turn it on, and then the truck will be where we're doing transportation, delivery, and stuff like that with the truck. Okay, and everything still works. And then you notice that it's sitting in the truck in a different way than it would for if I were to pick up this truck, because how I'm doing it now, I'm using a data table with different animation and animation names, so that way the sitting in the car fits different cars. Okay, so I can just go here, drive around, and then you can see the police car still here doing its thing, you know. And I need to make the lighting better and stuff like that, but I'm just working on it for now. Okay, and let me close this, save all, and I have a, like I said, I have a template out. You can download. Let's see, where is it? Ooh, which one is it? Jesus, I think it's this one. I have a template, and I believe on my Patreon, Patreon, you can go to my Patreon, and we have this. It's already up right now if you want to get it. Uh, okay, cool. Yeah. So this template, this I don't know what you call them, section or whatever. This is gonna be for, let's say for example you are a member to the third person. Whatever I post for the GTA, you can still have access to it. You're not gonna be limited to this. Or if you're a member of the GTA one, you can still have access to whatever. The reason why I'm doing this is because I have a lot of animation that I'm going to add. For example, fishing, swimming, ladder, and interacting animation. And the reason why I'm charging for this, it's because um, these animations are not cheap. Okay, I'm spending money for them, so they're not cheap. So yeah, for this one, whatever's in this, you will have to pay. I think it's like $20. I think. But if I go to my coffee page, you can get it for only you can get the base file for only $1. $1 holla. Okay, so you can get the base file. So for the template, for now, this is what you get. Character can walk, or you don't have to get it. Okay, you don't have to. If you have your own stuff going on, you can just have it. You can just use your own animation or characters or whatever. But yeah, you'll get the little phone thing. Okay, you still have your aiming, locomotion, and everything. You can still crouch and aim. Right, you can still do everything. And then in this one as well, the one that you're getting for $1, I will add the ladder, not the swimming or the other one, but I will add the ladder. Okay, because you're gonna have to. I'm gonna give you guys something. Okay, so this is all I have for you today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate all the love and support that I've been getting. And if there are things that you want to see, please get in the comment, let me know, and get join the Discord. Share your thoughts, and if there are things that I'm doing that you think that can be done better, please let me know, because all of us are here to learn. I'm not better than you. I can learn from you just as much as you're learning from me. So please let me know, and I will see you in the first part of the tutorial later. Thank you again for watching. Bye bye.